We're now going to set the speed for the ACRA-TURN 1440 for the three-step process. What we'll do first, figure our formula. 65 times 4 divided by the diameter of the part, 0.75. 0.75 in a decimal is 3/4 in the fraction, 346 RPM. This is a geared head machine. This is not digital. So you got to select the gears that you're going to choose. As you see, we do not have a 346 RPM selection. The two we have that are close are 483 and 317. We're going to do OD turning, outside diameter turning, so we're going to keep it in the high gear selection. So we'll select the 483. We're already set there. To move them, you'll have to grab the chuck and move these over to the mesh. On this machine, those gears are going to mesh. With the machine off and turning, that gear mesh is an okay sound. This is lined up in 760. Bring this over to 43, and you're in there. Okay? Turn the machine on. You have a switch down here. You can move two directions with the switch. There is a faucet here. Do not turn the switch to the right as it is running the pump for coolant, which we will not be running. Turn your switch to the left. Light is on. We now have power. Before you turn your switch on, clear the carriage away from the chuck. If this is over here and this chuck turns on and hits that tooling, it will break it. Clear the carriage and make sure we're okay. I just noticed that we have this set in low. I'm going to bring this over to high. And now we're in good shape. The switch, your knee switch is right here. To turn this on, bring this in and down. We're clear on the chuck and carriage. We're good to go. We have correct speed. In and down. We are turning. Now there are times on this machine that you can hear this gear meshes weird. I don't know if you can hear in the video, but there's a slight knock. It's still turning, but there's a slight knock. If you hear a knock in the machine, lightly move until that knock is gone. Do not be aggressive in moving these, because this machine, you can throw the gear and break the gears. If you're hearing the knock, it's best to ask Mr. Trejo or Mr. Hurt for assistance then. We'll turn the machine off, bring the switch up to the center selection, the machine will idle down and turn off.